Taxonomic tools, flora, introduction, classification, types of flora, data present in flora, and flora of Gujarat and important of flora. Introduction. A flora describes plants and where they live. Flora typically include a dichotomous key for identification purpose and often time will include range maps as well. The word flora comes from the Latin name of Flora, the goddess of plants, flower and fertility in Roman mythology. The flora, the taxonomic composition of a community, was first made by Julius Truman. All these data are well aggregated in a systematic manner in the different forms taxonomic literature. Literature are useful for easy and proper identification of plant. Several biographic references, indexes, and guides are available with this literature to help taxonomists to locate relevant literature concerning a taxonomic group or geographical area. Classification of flora. Plants are grouped into floras based on region, that is floristic regions, period, special environment or climate. Regions can be distinct, habitat like mountain versus flatland. Floras can be mean plant life of a historic era as in fossil flora. Lastly, floras may be subdivided by special environment, native flora, agricultural and horticultural flora, weed flora. Flora are classified as phloem, plantae, phanerogams, and cryptogams. Phanerogams in gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiosperms into dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Cryptogams into Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Flora, inventory of plants of a defined geographical region. Flora may be fairly exhaustive or simply synoptic. Flora may be categorized as local flora, regional flora, continental flora, spatial flora, and e-flora. Local flora, flora within a country, district, state, biodiversity rich region, protected area, a valley, a small mountain. For example, these are the different flora. Local flora, flora of Saurashtra. Regional flora, flora of a larger geographic area, usually a large country or botanical garden. A flora covering a country is more appropriately known as national flora. Flora of Bhutan, flora of Rajasthan. Continental flora, flora that covers entire continent. Flora of Australiensis and flora of Europea. Special flora, flora of a particular taxon or a plant group. For example, the orchid of Bhutan, flora of Tamil Nadu, grasses. Special flora, mosses of Khandala and Mahabaleshwar in the western Ghats of India. E-flora, a flora that available online, provide opportunities for users to work dynamically on floristic treatment and to browse and search these treatments. Data presented in flora. Brief account of studied plants according to their taxonomic hierarchy, special under genus, genera, under reprehensive family. Taxa may be arranged either according to a standard system of classification, highly preferred, or alphabetically. Identification tools or keys may be provided. Citation of accepted names, basionyms, synonyms, etymology may be provided. Vernacular names may be provided, brief description, illustration or photographs not mandatory, phenology, voucher specimen should be mentioned, range map of the studied area. Flora of Gujarat, India ranks 6th position among the 12 mega biodiversity centers of the world. and Gujarat is rich in floral diversity of species, habitat, and ecosystem that represents nearly 13% of the floristic diversity of the country. Digitalization of floristic data and its systematic organization on web-based platform in such a way that it becomes user-friendly interactive identification key is the basic objective of the efforts. Development of present software is an initiative to satisfy the trust of easy plant identification. The existing taxonomic book on flora of Gujarat is 600 plant species from forest flora of Gujarat state by R. I. Patel. Plant species recorded in flora of Gujarat by G. L. Shah and published report of Gujarat Ecological Commission in 1996, documenting 2,119 plant species along with other flora and net search are the base of this compilation. Digital compilations of this data leads total family 159, total plants 2,143, herbs 1,114, shrubs 264, trees 292, clambers 197, and grasses 276. Importance of flora. The importance of flora or plants on the land or in the oceans make our life possible. Plants are the oxygen producing and carbon dioxide absorbing natural apparatus without which life will not be possible. Besides, the plants are essential resource for human well-being. The Amazon rainforest not only supply oxygen but are the source of sustenance for the region. Each plant and animal in the world brings something to the environment that another plant or animal, including man, will rely on. This creates a balance of life that enable the life cycle to survive. References: B.N. Knight, Plant Taxonomy ebook and www.flora.com. Thank you.